What makes me decided to join this bootcamp is because I think website is a great platform for us to showcase our work or anything that we want to promote to others. In this digital era, people are just using Google to know anything, right? So I think if I can learn how to create my own website, so it will be a good opportunity for me to showcase myself and also maybe my business in future.
I first joined Next Coding Academy a couple of weeks ago, and one of the reasons why I joined it was I think it was a great opportunity for me to pick up a skill that I have never explored before. At the start, I was a bit stressed because I had a little bit of experience with coding before because I did engineering and I know I wasn't good, but I think Next Academy had a really good module macam online. All the videos were really simple and really easy to understand, so that was really good lah.
So about this bootcamp, I think it has helped me organize my thoughts and to take baby steps in approaching projects, ideas.
Antara momen favourite saya adalah apabila dekat sini semua orang saling bantu-membantu. Kita boleh tanya mentor, kita boleh tanya kawan-kawan.
Actually, susah nak dapat environment class macam ni. Even in college pun, it's mostly one-way communication between the lecturers and the student. So kat sini, kita macam abang adik lah macam tu lah.
So what is my favorite moment in this bootcamp? So actually, I was doing the tic-tac-toe program, and it was so hard, actually squeezing my brain so hard to think about the logic or maybe the program that to make it work.
Favorite moment saya bila kita berjaya buat website sendiri, kita jadi happy dan belajar coding. Jadinya kalau pencapaiannya ni berpuas hati lah, sebabnya kita buat web tu jadi.
My favorite moment is when you code and then you finally finish that project and then it works and it's like satisfaction is finally done. My favorite project will be the personal web page, where I make our own web page, because like that's where you can put our own creative stuff and there's endless things you can do if you create your own stuff.
My biggest achievement is actually even knowing how to make a website step by step using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. After this bootcamp, I would like to use my profile website that I've created to apply to any universities or any scholarship so that they can know me better and they know that I have this skill to make website.
My future plan, I want to modify my company, their website, because I have another good idea, so I want to do a proposal to propose to my boss.
I think that the way that we communicated with our mentors, it was not a one-way communication, so it made the experience that much more fun. And I think what I'm going to miss the most is knowing that I can come to this place and meet someone more knowledgeable than me and know that I will learn something new.